Why do 70% of gym newbies quit within the first 3 months? Avoid these common mistakes and stay on track. Hitting the gym for the first time can feel like stepping into a new world. But don't worry, we've got your back. Here are 5 common mistakes and how to fix them. First up, skipping the warm-up. Jumping straight to heavy lifting can lead to injuries. Spend 5-10 minutes warming up those muscles. Second, bad form. Lifting with improper technique is asking for trouble. Watch tutorials, ask for help, or use mirrors to check your form. Number 3, ego lifting. It's not about how much you lift, but how well you lift. Start with lighter weights and focus on control. Fourth, neglecting nutrition. Your workout doesn't end at the gym. Fuel your body with the right foods to see real progress. Finally, inconsistency. Results come with time and dedication. Stick to a routine and be patient. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll be on your way to smashing those fitness goals in no time. Keep pushing and remember, it's all about the journey. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to see more useful content.